Today, we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts, avoiding those common avocado eating mistakes. Yep, you heard me right. Avocado is delicious and nutritious, but there are some pitfalls you'll want to steer clear of to truly enjoy this green gem. So, let's jump right in. Mistake number 1, choosing the wrong avocado. You see, avocados come in different varieties and stages of ripeness. Picking the right one is crucial. Look for avocados that yield slightly to gentle pressure when squeezed in your palm. Avoid ones that are too hard or too mushy. Trust me, it makes all the difference in taste and texture. Always opt for the ripe one. Mistake number 2, letting avocado sit out too long. Avocado oxidizes quickly once it's been cut open, turning brown and losing its freshness. To prevent this, store any leftover avocado in an airtight container with a squeeze of lemon or lime juice to slow down the browning process. Your guacamole will thank you. Fresh and green, just the way we like it. Now, let's move on to mistake number 3, improperly cutting the avocado. It might seem like a simple task, but many folks get it wrong. Here's the trick: slice the avocado lengthwise around the seed, then twist to separate the halves. Use a sharp knife to gently remove the seed. And please, be careful, avocado hand is a real thing. Remember, safety first. Last but not least, mistake number 4, not enjoying avocado in moderation. While avocado is incredibly nutritious, it's also calorie-dense. So, it's all about balance. Incorporate avocado into your meals mindfully, and savor every creamy bite. Your taste buds and your waistline will thank you. And there you have it, folks, for mistakes you must never commit while eating avocado. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more tasty tips.